Hey, my name is Steve, and I would like to introduce you to Townie, a LLM that can generate full-stack apps for you in seconds with a front-end, back-end, and SQLite database that's fully deployed. Let's see how it works. Today we're making a RSVP page for a hack night that we're going to throw later this month. It will let you submit your name, maybe change your registration status, that kind of thing, and it'll list who else is going to the party. All right, so V1 is done. Let's see how close we got. So Steve, and I will attend. RSVP submitted. All right, great. Let's list the guests on the main page. Nice. We got guests. Jack will not attend for some reason. Great. And then just to prove to you this is fully deployed, you could go to this URL and add your own name to this list. You could share it with your friends and they could add their names. All right. So I want to make a little change. Who's going to say no on the beginning? So let's just default everyone to yes. Remove that input from the HTML. Reply in diff, make a small change. Okay, so this reply in diff feature is experimental. The idea is that it won't regenerate all the stuff that isn't changing. It's just going to change the thing that is changing. So now I could say Joe and hit enter, and great. Remove the alert confirmation pop-up, reply in diff. This should also be a pretty quick change. And again, I could go into the code and make this change myself and just hit save, but the LLM can kind of like find the code faster and make the change for me just as well. And this gives you a sense that even non-programmers can do this kind of thing. All right, that's great. Let folks change their RSVP status later. Maybe a little bit more complicated of a change. This one is going to try to do it as a diff. The diff might fail, and then we just have it regenerate the whole code from scratch. Fingers crossed, but I'm going to publish this video whether it works or not, because I do want you to get a realistic sense of what it's like working with something like Townie. That's a pretty big change. I'm not thinking it's going to work. All right, it got pretty close. The patch actually applied, but it made a little syntax error. So now it's regenerated off from scratch, which is fine. Maybe it was a small syntax error that we could have fixed, but we're doing good. Great. So Jack can change it to going, refresh the page. Jack's still going. Hillary is not going to go because Hillary is my mom and she does not go to my parties. Fantastic. All right, last thing, make it themed hackery, diff, only change CSS. One final, quick, hopefully fun change. Oh, you know what we should do? When anything in the data, when any user state is changed, do confetti on the front end for any button. That'll be fun. I just had that idea. I didn't try it before I did it. Like, this is my first take with confetti. So I really do want you to get a sense. Val Town is not magical, but freaking, it's really close. It's really freaking close. Oh my goodness gracious. Come join, come sign up for Val Town. It's free. Come make some awesome things with Townie. Join our Discord, share what you made, ask questions. We're adding features so quickly. So come tell us what you want and have a lot of fun.